Argentum metallicum Alinsky notes the metal pure silver. Tall, thin, irritable persons, ailments from abuse of mercury, constitutional effects of onanism, affects the cartilages, tarsal, ears, nose, eustachian, the structures entering into joints. Seminal emissions after onanism almost every night without erection with atrophy of penis. Crushed pain in the testicles. Prolapses with pain in left ovary and back extending forward and downward. Climacteric hemorrhage. Exhausting fluent coryza with sneezing. Hoarseness of professional singers, public speakers. Total loss of voice with professional singers. Throat and larynx feel raw or sore on swallowing or coughing. Laughing excites cough and produces profuse mucus in larynx. When reading aloud, has to hem and hawk. Cough with easy expectoration of gelatinous viscid mucus looking like boiled starch. Great weakness of the chest, worse left side. Alteration in timbre of voice with singers and public speakers. Raw spot over bifurcation of the trachea, worse when using voice, talking or singing. Relations follows well after alumina, similar to sternum in cough excited by laughing. Aggravation riding in a carriage when touched or pressed upon, talking, singing, reading aloud. Argentum metallicum, boric materia medica. Emaciation, a gradual drawing up, desire for fresh air, dyspnea, sensation of expansion, and left sided pains are characteristic. The chief action is centered on the articulations and their component elements, bones, cartilages, and ligaments. Here, the small blood vessels become closed up or withered and carries affectionous result. They come on insidiously, lingering but progress. The larynx is also a special center for this drug. Mental, hurried feeling, time passes slowly, melancholy. Head, dull paroxysmal neuralgia over left side gradually increasing and ceasing suddenly. Scalp very tender to touch. Vertigo with intoxicated feeling on looking at running water. Head feels empty, hollow, eyelids red and thick, exhausting coryza with sneezing, pain in facial bones, pain between left eye and frontal eminence. Throat raw, hawking, grey, jelly like mucus and throat sore and coughing, profuse and easy morning expectoration. Respiratory hoarseness, aphonia, raw, sore feeling when coughing, total loss of voice of professional singers, larynx feels sore and raw, easy expectoration, looking like boiled starch, filling of raw spot near suprasternal fossa. Words from use of voice, cough from laughing, hectic fever at noon. On reading aloud, must hem and hawk. Great weakness of chest, worse left side, alteration in timbre of voice, pain in left lower ribs. Back, severe backache, must walk bent with operation of chest. Urine, diuresis, urine profuse, turbid, sweet odor, frequent urination, polyuria. Extremities, rheumatic affections of joints, especially elbow and knee, legs weak and trembling, worse descending stairs, involuntary contractions of fingers, partial paralysis of forearm, writer's cramp, swelling of ankles. Male, crushed pain in testicles, seminal emissions without sexual excitement, frequent micturition with burning. Female, ovaries feel too large, bearing down pain, prolapse of womb, eroded spongy cervix, leucorrhea foul excoriating, palliative and serous of uterus, pain in left ovary, climacteric hemorrhage, sore filling throughout abdomen, worse by jarring, uterine disease with pain in joints and limbs. Modalities, worse from touch toward noon, better in open air, cough at night when lying down. Relationship, it antidotes Mercurius pulsatilla. Dose, sixth trituration and higher, not too frequent repetition.